educators and people who are watching this video. Welcome to the Student Alliance community. In today's video, we're going to talk about how you have to reboot your panel, because in all the series that you have seen as to how you need to use the features, but sometimes what happens is that there is some kind of malfunction, or you don't are not able to access some file. How do you reboot your panel? First thing, just long press on this and click on shutdown. So as soon you shut down, the panel will take some time and it will turn off. Just wait and see this particular line of light has to turn red. Now long press on this unless or until you see a blinking option. Now once the blinking option is shown, it means that your panel is now being rebooted. Now this will help in any kind of issues where you're getting stuck or you're finding some features that are not functional. No worries, just reboot your panel, and once the rebooting is done, once the panel opens, you will have the functionality of your entire panel with much faster and smoother way. So with this, you will be able to, even without our assistance, you will be able to sort these issues just by rebooting your panel. Thank you so much.